Hello friends. In today's video, we're exploring Amazon's best sellers in kitchen and drying gadgets. From handy kitchen tools to innovative drying solutions, these gadgets will simplify your daily tasks. Make sure to stick around for our top picks, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more great content. So friends, let's start the video.
Number 5. Bathroom Rugs Mat. The Olanley Bathroom Rug Mat, sized at 30x20 inches, offers a soft and plush feel underfoot, making it perfect for stepping out of the shower or bath. Made from ultra-absorbent microfiber, it quickly soaks up water to keep your bathroom floor dry and safe. The non-slip backing ensures the mat stays securely in place, reducing the risk of slipping. Its modern design and variety of color options make it easy to match with any bathroom decor. Easy to clean, this durable mat is machine washable for hassle-free maintenance. It provides both comfort and functionality, making it a great addition to any bathroom.
Number 4. Pressure Washer. The LWQ electric pressure washer stands out as a powerful and efficient solution for various cleaning tasks around the home and yard. With a maximum pressure of 4,200 psi, this model is designed to tackle tough grime, dirt, and stains, making it suitable for everything from driveways and patios to vehicles and outdoor furniture. Weighing in at just 15.2 pounds, the pressure washer remains portable while offering substantial cleaning power. Its corded electric power source ensures consistent performance without the hassle of gas refills, making it an eco-friendly and convenient choice. The vibrant green color adds a touch of style to its functional design, appealing to both practical and aesthetic preferences. The 23-foot hose length provides generous reach, allowing users to cover larger areas without constantly shifting the unit. This extended hose, combined with the product's compact dimensions, 14L into 11W into 18H, means it can fit into tight spaces.
Number 3. Ant Killer. The Taro T300B Liquid. Ant Killer is an effective solution for eliminating household ants. Its liquid formula attracts ants, allowing them to carry the bait back to the colony, wiping out the entire infestation. The pre-filled bait stations are easy to use and mess-free, perfect for placing in areas where ants are commonly seen. It works quickly to reduce ant activity and offers long-lasting protection. Safe to use indoors, it's a reliable option for keeping your home ant-free.
Number 2. Mini Washing Machine. The Pile Portable Mini Washing Machine proves to be a practical solution for those seeking convenience in small spaces. With dimensions measuring 11.64D into 1164 TAO into 6.4H, this compact appliance fits seamlessly into apartments, dorms, or RVs, catering to users with limited space without sacrificing functionality. Designed for a maximum capacity of 2 kilograms, the washing machine effectively manages smaller loads, making it an ideal choice for individuals, couples, or those with specific laundry needs such as baby wear. The top-load access allows for easy loading and unloading, simplifying the washing process. Weighing only 12.7 pounds, the Pile Mini Washer is both lightweight and portable, facilitating ease of movement from one location to another. The nylon material used in its construction ensures durability while maintaining a sleek white aesthetic that complements any environment. The manual controls, operated by a straightforward knob.
Number 1. Sheet Set. This queen-size 4-piece sheet set offers ultimate comfort with its soft, breathable, and cooling fabric. Perfect for a restful night's sleep, the set includes a fitted sheet, flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Made from high-quality materials, these sheets wick away moisture, keeping you cool and comfortable all night long. The deep pockets ensure a snug fit on most mattresses. Easy to care for and durable, this sheet set is perfect for everyday use.